Hello friends, welcome back again to Taranga Tech Education. Today in this video I am sharing the one more AI application of the Microsoft Math Solver. This application is very useful for children as well as for undergraduate students. If you are watching my channel first time, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon and watch the video till the end. What are the features of Math Solver? You can use this application online or you can download on desktop or mobile. Secondly, you can write an equation on a screen as you do naturally on a paper. Or scan printed or handwritten math problem, provide to AI system. AI system will identify that problem and try to solve it. It also provides advanced scientific calculator for typing and editing the problem. You can also import the images, predefined images from the gallery, and you can use for the solving the problem. It also shows the interactive step-by-step explanation. You can scan and solve the worksheet with multiple problems. It provides the practice problem. It conducts the online test. It also shows the web content like video lectures, notes for the similar problem. You can try word problem. It also shows the graphical presentation graphs for linear and non-linear function. Mainly, you can learn the maths in your own language like Hindi, Japanese, Portuguese, and many more. So let us start with Math Solver. First, you type the keyword Math Solver Microsoft in Google search engine. It will display result like this. If you want to download on mobile phone, click on the first link. If you want to use this application online, you can directly type math.microsoft.com or you can click on second link. If you want to download on desktop version, you can click on this link. I have given all the links in description box. For demo purpose, I will show you online application. So I will click on second link. It will go to this page. Here it shows the options for downloading on mobile phone. You can download from the Apple Store or you can download from the Google Play, or you can scan the QR code. And this is the look of the Math Solver. You can type here equation. It provides here typewriter as well as calculator also. These are the different types of calculators. Here it shows the different types of problem: quadratic equation, matrix, simultaneous equation, limits. Now these problems are classified under the 4 topics: pre-algebra, algebra, trigonometry, and calculus. Also shows the videos regarding your content. It also shows step-by-step explanation, graphical solution, questions for practice, and you can use in your own language. I will show you now demo of each topic. Suppose in pre-algebra, if I select subtopic mode, here it shows the different types of examples of mode. You can select suppose this one. It shows the answer here. Also it shows the solution steps. You can see a solution steps. Also it has immersive reader which reads all the steps.
Steps using definition of mode. The mode of a set is the value that appears most often.
It also conducts the quiz regarding that topic. For example, if I click on this, it will show the quiz like this. Multiple choice question. It also shows time to complete. You can start the quiz. You can select the answer from here. Suppose if I select this, you can check the answer immediately also. No, it's wrong. You can find out help regarding that problem also. You can find the answer here. It also shows the videos regarding that problem. You can also download the worksheet from the website, from the web search. I have downloaded one worksheet. This is the worksheet. It gives additional problem for the practice. Also, you can find the similar problems from the web. Also, you can share this problem on the Facebook, Twitter, etc. You can also type the problem here. Suppose I want to find mode, so I can choose here a function mode. And close the bracket. It gives the answer here 1. It also shows the solution steps. Next, suppose I select subtopic from the algebra system of equation. After clicking on this, it will show the screen like this. And suppose if I select this first example, it will show the solution for x and y variables. Also, it shows the 3 different methods. You can view the solution by using 3 different methods. This is the first method. You can view the solution here. Second step, using matrices. It shows all the solution. And third, using elimination. Now one more example, suppose linear equations. If I select this one, it takes some time due to online. It shows the solution here. It also shows the graphical solution of linear equation. It also shows the quiz on similar type of problem, videos, more concept related to that topic, worksheets from the web search, like that. You can also type here equations. See, you can find the solution here. You can view the steps also here. Now next topic is trigonometry. Here you can find here different types of equation, and you can also show graphical presentation. So you can get the answer here as well as you can get the graphical presentation. Also you can type your own equation by using trigonometry calculator. 4 sine theta multiply by cos theta equal to 2 sine theta. And solve the equation. So you can find the answer for theta as well. You can find the graphical solution. Next, under calculus, you can solve 3 types of equation: derivatives, integrals, and limits. Suppose first part, derivatives. You can type here equation using calculus calculator. Suppose I want to find derivative 6x square. It will show the solution 12x, as well as you can view the steps for solving the problem. It also shows the graphical solution. Beauty of this application is that you can use different types of calculator. Suppose for integrals now, you can use calculus here. Suppose I want to find definite integral. Suppose here -1. Here I will type suppose 2. Here 3x square, and here suppose dx, and find the answer. It will give the answer 9. You can also view the steps for the same problem. It also shows the quiz here, videos regarding that, worksheets, etc. A similar thing for the limits. So for example here, it shows the answer here. You can also type the equations by using calculus. Here it use the option for limit, like that. You can also perform matrix operation. Suppose I want to multiply two matrices. For example, multiply by other matrix, it shows the here output, also shows the steps. It also shows the transpose of matrix, matrix size, reduce the matrix, quiz, videos. This app supports different languages like Hindi, Gujarati, Konkani, Marathi, like that. If I select the Hindi language, it will show like this. So you can use this application in a regional language. Now I will show you demo on mobile app. Here you can scan the image and AI application will identify that handwritten equation and solve that. Also you can draw the equation on the mobile screen. I have already downloaded the Math Solver app on mobile. Now on the top of the screen you can show the option. You can see the options: menu, scan, draw, type, and setting. In menu you can find the predefined equations. You can find different types of problems. In draw you can, using pencil, you can so it identify the handwritten sketch on a screen and you can solve the problem. It shows the answer here. You can view the here steps. For viewing it will show the steps, explanation, step by step explanation. You can also share this with the Facebook or Twitter. Also shows graphical here presentation, quiz regarding that problems, videos, notes, worksheets from the web search, etc. Now next you can type also. using typewriter. Here is a typewriter, here's a calculator. You can see here different calculators like trigonometry, limit, calculus, statistics, like that. Next, you can scan the image also. It scan the image, so AI model recognize the handwritten equation and recognize the that pattern. It evaluates that, it shows the steps also, in quiz, graphical solution, videos, etc. This application is based on the concept of artificial intelligence. This app is very useful for school children as well as for college students. Try this application. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video among the students as well as teaching community. Thank you for watching.